taking a nice stroll into the woods for a dog walk, and it's got me thinking and reflecting about the smell of nature. Do you believe that the seasons have a different scent? You can always smell the rain when it's coming, the smell of the sun, the misty air, hazy sunshine in the summer. It's also got me thinking about essential oils. What scent is your favourite? Do you like a nice autumn orange and ginger scent? Or are you more of a cinnamon, clove and orange for the winter? Or do you prefer something more sweeter and floral for spring? My favourite together is ylang ylang and patchouli. Something magical happens with those two scents.